What is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm going to be showing you how to install Optifine to Minecraft. It's a very simple task. I'm just doing this because not a lot of people know how to do it. It does actually help the performance of your game. I might be able to show you since I have a decent processor and a decent video card. So yeah, the first step you want to do is go to the link in the description below. It's going to take you to this page here. Or you don't even have to click my link. If you just want to go to optifine.net, you can. You're going to go to the downloads page here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look at your version. So what you want to do is open up Minecraft real quick. Now, it's more than likely, it's not really the hardest thing to look at. So you're going to go to Launch Options, and as you can see, I have 1.13.2. You should already know what version you have. So as you can see, I have 1.13.2, and make sure Minecraft is closed before you do this. It doesn't matter if you download it and it's open, you just want it closed. So what I actually recommend doing is, I'm pretty sure this is a beta, so I would recommend going to the E4 version. I've just had better luck with it. If you want to do E5, I'm sure it'll work fine. I'm not 100% sure if it's a beta, so don't, quote me on that or anything. I'm just going to click download for E4, and I've had better luck with that. Oh, look at that. They use AdFly. I'm not really surprised. It's obviously the way they make money. If you have an ad blocker, you can disable it. I'm not going to, because I don't want a whole bunch of shit popping up on my screen. I usually do right-click, open link in a new tab, so it doesn't try to reload the page into another ad. So this is going to pop up. You're just going to click download. It's going to be a jar file. It might say that it's dangerous. Oh, that's an old game. I haven't played that in years. It's going to say this type of file can harm your computer. Just click keep. It's because it's a jar file and people can hide viruses in Java files. In this case, you're fine because it's from this website that I trust and I've used it for years. So you don't have anything to worry about. I think McAfee just popped up. I don't know why it does that. With Chrome, it just does that. I'm not sure if I have something on my computer that I'm not aware of. But anyway, so you can go ahead and close Chrome, or you can drag it to your desktop or whatever. You're going to go to your downloads folder. And then you're going to look for the Optifine installer. I don't know why that takes so long to load. It's weird. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. You're going to do do the Java Platform SE binary. You will need Java x64 installed, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Just in case, a lot of people, you don't know how to do that. You're going to want Java x64. You're going to go to download. You don't have to do x64. I'll put the link in the description for this too. You're going to click free Java download, and you're just going to click agree and start downloading. So yeah, just click that. I'll put the link in the description for that as well in the description below. You're going to click that. You're going to click OK. And then what you're going to do is you're going to let it load, and then you're going to click install. Wherever you have to find it. If it's installed on a different drive, then you do have to find it by clicking the, you're just going to click here. Say it's installed on, I don't know, I have a game drive. I'm going to be upgrading that soon, but I have a game drive. Just find it, all that. So yeah, Optifine's installed. Now you're going to open up Minecraft again. And what you can do is you can go here. And what you want to do is you want to click Optifine. It'll have it auto-selected, but if it doesn't, just click Optifine. Then you're going to click play. It might have to download a couple things. It usually doesn't. And if it does, it's, see how quick that was. It's usually really quick with that kind of thing. And then you're going to let it open. And I'll just show you what Optifine does real quick. I'm just going to say install review for this video. A lot of people actually play Minecraft, so I might get a decent amount of views on this. So yeah, let that load. It's going to not respond. It does that with my computer. I'm sure it does with even more powerful computers. It just doesn't. It says not responding even though it's just loading in the background. I'm not 100% sure why it does that, to be honest with you. I haven't really gotten to the bottom of it yet, but see how it loaded in. So what Optifine does is all it does is it makes it so you have more optimization for the game, because as you can see, if I go here to options and go to video settings, I have all of this, so I can change it. So I'm going to put this at smooth lighting. I'm actually going to turn that off. That'll help. I usually turn off all of the animations, like all of these. I don't need them, so I turn them off. You can even go to details. You can turn all this off. I usually put everything to fast. Like some of them you can't really put to fast. So yeah, like that. And then you're going to go to performance. You can do show FPS and all that. Smooth world sometimes helps. Smooth FPS sometimes help if you have really bad issues with Minecraft. And other, you can do show FPS. Sorry, not the other one, but this one is where you can do show FPS. So we're going to go ahead and load it into the game, and I'm going to show you if it has a different performance. I'm not 100% sure if it will, because I've actually had really bad luck with this game running in certain things, but I think it'll be a little bit better now, which wouldn't be bad, because then I could do videos on it. Probably not. Oh, God. Okay, so click F3 to get to the FPS. I have horrible FPS right now. I'm not sure if it's because I'm recording or if it's because the game's still loading in. It's a little laggy. I just have really bad Luck with this game. It always gets laggy for me. So I'm going to go ahead and go here. Details. Let me try quality this time. Oh, yeah, let's try anti-aliasing and aniscopteric. Antostroptic. I don't know how to fucking say that. Don't ask me. Okay, so let that load. It does take a few minutes. I'm not sure why, but some of the settings you change will like make it so the game doesn't respond. It's still doing something in the background. It's just, you know, less. And I believe that's one of our issues. VSync. There we go. Okay, it's still really laggy. It's actually stuttering. Alright guys, so that's how you install Optifine. I'm gonna actually mess with my game a little bit. I'm gonna stop the recording and I'm hoping that'll fix it. But thank you guys for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if it sucks. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I'm not a Minecraft nerd, I can promise you that. I don't really play Minecraft that much. It's just something that I thought people would enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for the support. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.